Hi, I'm Rena, interior designer, Bryhn Design Build, here today to show you the finished remodeling of the home's bathrooms. The homeowners are an important part of the process as they become part of our team. Through conversation and inspirational photos, we work together on design, need, and budget to create these spaces. We drafted multiple floor plans, reviewing each, and selected the best. Once our floor plan was decided upon for the master bathroom, next comes down to color, adding the pretty. We selected an earth tone palette. We started with the granite selection of the leathered granite, leading us into the shower walls and floor tile, as well as the bathroom floor and wall color.